Hi students, I want to show you how to access your JMA email account, and guess what? Your Chromebook login is actually, you can actually access your email. So I'm going to quickly show you how to access your JMA email from any device you have, whether it's a tablet, a phone, a computer. You can have access to your JMA Gmail account. So when you are accessing it, you can submit assignments, you can receive assignments, and some of you may be receiving notification to join Google Classroom. So since this is our new normal, or in a new way of learning, your JMA email will be important for you to have. Okay, so if you're looking at my screen, I am at my Google screen, and I want to access my JMA school email. So what I'm going to do is go up top here, click on Gmail, and I'm going to add another user. So I'm taking this out, that belongs to somebody else. So I'm putting in my JMA email. Clicking next. I'm going to put in my password. Clicking on next. Your screen is going to pop up like this. And there you go. So if you are looking at a screen like this, you are in your school's email. You might have a lot more emails than what I have here, because this is a new account for me to contact you and send you your lessons. So if you are looking at this, that means you're in. Also, too, if you have received an invitation to join Google Classroom, please join Google Classroom, because we're going to be using that in the next few weeks and probably into the next school year, since everything is going technology. So this should help you get you started using Google Classroom and also using your school's email. If you have any questions, please contact any of your teachers. They have the same information. And also, this will be linked up to a YouTube channel I have created. So this will help you. And I'm going to also have lessons based on what we're going to be learning the next coming weeks also on my YouTube channel. So this is it. I hope it helps. Talk to you next time.